Let's go right to the point on how to install MySQL. Open your web browser and go to the official MySQL website. Select Downloads, scroll down and click on the blue link. Click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Scroll down and click on the blue Download button. Wait for the download to finish, then open the installer. Choose the custom setup type, then click Next. Follow my steps carefully and choose the following products to be installed. For us, we're going to choose MySQL Server and Workbench and MySQL Shell. Then click Next. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Next. Here you're going to make a root account password, then click Next. Wait for the configuration to be applied, then click Finish. Now all you need to do is add it to the path, so follow my steps carefully. To verify installation, open Command Prompt and type mysql-version. You should see the version of MySQL. That's it, MySQL installed and ready to use.